Hey everyone, so welcome to Mudra Monday, and today's mudra is the Bhu Mudra, which helps with grounding, connecting with the physical body, connecting with the root chakra, and helps to reduce stress and blood pressure. So what you do is you put these two fingers up like in a peace sign, and the pinky and the index finger and the thumb are connecting like this, and you do it on the other side as well. And then you just place your hands, palms down on top of your legs. And basically that is just grounding or pointing to the earth essentially. And this will help with or connect you or balance you with your root chakra. So let's get into a comfortable position where we won't be disturbed for a few minutes. And just get your hands ready with the mudra and close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose and sigh it out. And take another deep breath in through your nose and sigh it out. Just releasing any tension, releasing any thoughts and emotions that might be creeping up on you. Just allowing those emotions, those thoughts to fade away, allowing your body to relax, any tension to melt away, your muscles relaxing with every breath. Make sure that your breath flows nice and easy. Maybe counting 2 or 3 seconds on every inhale and then 2 or 3 seconds on every exhale. Now begin to draw your attention to the root chakra at the base of your spine. With every breath, you are breathing into that root chakra, envisioning a red flower beginning to open, blossom. And just continue with that breath, with the flow of the breath as that root chakra opens up. Allowing the breath to flow through the root chakra and through the mudra. Grounding you, providing you with safety and security, balancing the root chakra. This is what grounds you in the material world, what balances you in the material world. Allow this chakra to open to help harmonize and balance. If there are any issues surrounding this chakra with material abundance, financial abundance, feeling safe and secure in your world, and this is where you want to focus your attention on grounding yourself, on opening this chakra, creating balance within this chakra, allowing that beautiful red flower to blossom and unfold, become more beautiful and luminescent, intending that this chakra is balanced, provides safety and security and grounding in your world. Now you can come back to this meditation whenever you want, or you can stay here as long as you like. Just breathing and allowing, releasing any tension, allowing that chakra to open further. And when you are ready, you can begin to bring your awareness back into the space, back into your body, allowing that breath to flow. And whenever you are ready to open your eyes, just take your time. Thank you for being here. Namaste.